What it do, YouTube? You already know it's your boy L, and we back with another Saying Bullies video. And in today's video, we got the cook over here, the baker herself. You know what I'm saying? About to turn up. We making Gine birthday cake today. Gine, it's your birthday. You ready? You ready? You was the star of the last show, man. You ready for this? I know you ready, huh? Anyways, we got Gine cake stuff right here, and it is a lot. It is a lot. Y'all probably could tell in the vlog video. I don't know which one will probably come out first. Probably this one, because it's like the cake video to make it. I don't know. However way we do it, y'all got to see it here. So if y'all been, you know what I'm saying, watching the little treat videos, you can see it just getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. No, but anyways though, yeah, so we got a lot of ingredients here. Oh man, so much ingredients. So we definitely about to get a cake started today, and hopefully Gine cake turn out pretty good. We got her little #1 right here. She is turning up to that one I've been waiting for forever. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next Saying Bullies video that we do. And if y'all can't follow us over there at Instagram, we be on there relentlessly. Liking people pictures and doing the whole nine. Y'all already know what it is. But yeah, we about to go ahead and let Lala tell y'all what we got going on, man. Cause like,
all right, so we're gonna make a dog birthday cake, especially for Gine. So there's two ways to make this recipe. The recipe that we're gonna lay out for you guys is 1-layer cake for 8-inch pan. If you want to double it, we're gonna make a double layer cake today since Gine and Bardock are splitting it. So I'm gonna be doubling this. So basically the single recipe is going to be 1 cup of flour, the baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil,
Crisco,
1/4 cup of natural peanut butter. Make sure it's natural, no foreign things in these peanut butters for the babies. Half a cup of applesauce, plain and unsweetened. That was all I was able to find at the moment, but it is unsweetened. And then half a cup of pumpkin puree. And then 1 egg. So we have 2 because we're doubling the recipe again. And then we'll be working on some frosting. I have some plain Greek yogurt, which worked out in our last video as frosting quite well. And we're going to be mixing that with some peanut butter today. And I also have some natural food coloring we'll be putting in there to try to give it a little pink for our frosting today. And this strawberries and blueberries, safe for dogs. We'll be using those in some other treat videos in the future. But we're going to use that as toppings on the top of the cake. And we also have a little special bacon surprise to go on top of the cake as well too. So a lot of stuff going on today. We're about to get started and start measuring stuff out and get this cake going. cakes are in the oven, so while these are baking up, we're going to make the icing. So we're going to take our Greek yogurt and do, it says a half a cup, so we'll do 2 half cups since we're doubling the recipe. And we're going to attempt to use our food coloring and make some pink icing since it's Gine's birthday. Alright guys, so it's been 25 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and take our cakes out and do our little toothpick test to make sure that there's no batter sticking on there. Ooh, that looks nice. It already looks like they're good, but we're going to do a little test anyways. Good to go. Good to go, guys. So we're going to let this cool off, and we'll be back in just a minute to ice and finish off our cake. Hey guys, so we took the cakes out of the oven. And they cooled, so we're going to go ahead and start to decorate them. So that one just popped on out, so we're going to put this as our bottom layer. I went ahead and cut a little bit of the second cake so we can make it a little bit smaller to fit on top since we're layering. So we're going to go ahead and spread on our yogurt peanut butter pink icing.
Alright, so we back, and it looks like the cake is finally finished. Getting you excited? You got your cake. Your cake is pretty much done. How you feeling? You feeling excited for your cake? Huh? Or no, you don't know yet. I'm telling you, it's pretty. Alright, so tell them what you went ahead and did.
Alright guys, so I spread the pink icing on the entire cake, and then I went ahead and lined it Smoothed it on out and got all the bones around the bottom layer. And then the strawberries that we cut, I just went ahead and just fanned them out, and added blueberries, put our little #1 up there for Gine. And I really like the way it came out. I hope the dogs enjoy how it tastes. And I appreciate you guys hanging till the end to see the finished product.
Yeah, that's what's up. Expect more content like this. This is fun. She normally, bake like this all the time, but we figured might as well go ahead and just start recording it for a series, like I was telling y'all, to go along with the workout series and stuff like that. So this is just the birthday cake for Gine's little birthday thing that we got low key set up over there. So yeah, so pretty much this is gonna be it for this video. Like we was just doing, like a how to make video for Gine's birthday cake. Grab it, let Gine see it right quick. Look, watch her eyes, like don't let her yeah, just kind of hold it over. Let's see. You gonna get daddy a thumbnail? Does that look like a good thumbnail? Yep, I got one. Alright, so that's pretty much it for this video. We're gonna go ahead and end it there, and Gine will have her own little separate birthday vloggy type thing. She ready for that cake. Let me go ahead and give her a treat since she been a good sport this whole time. You been a good sport, Gine. She know what them treat things sound like. Yes, good girl. Alright, yeah, so that's pretty much what's gonna be in the video. I appreciate you guys for staying and watching this long. The cake came out nice. I mean, we was gonna buy a cake, but damn. She really did her thing on this cake, so I'm proud. That's all I can say. The cake really looked good. I think Gine, you agree with it. But other than that, Bardock, he just ready to get out the cage. But catch us in the vlog, Gine birthday vlog or whatever like that. If y'all new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next Saying Bully video that we do. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, where we'll be posting the content daily over there as well. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it, man. I appreciate everybody, all the new subscribers, returning viewers, and all that good stuff. I appreciate you guys. Y'all showing major love. And yeah, man, that's it. That's the end of the video, man. So I'll definitely catch y'all in the next one. Y'all already know it. Saying Bullies. Gine. We out. Peace.